Hi everyone. So in the last video we have configured the product and now we can actually configure for the OE. So in order to configure for the OE, you need to click on menu button, then click on design center, then organization, and then you will have an option called as uploads. So these are the required CSV files which are used for the OE calculation. Mandatory CSV files used for OE are production line, product routing, production plan. And when you have configured all the above CSV files, you can actually see the production by clicking on view data on server option of actual production. So let's download all the three sample CSV files required for OE, that is production line, product routing, and production plan. So in the next video we will see how we can configure for the production line.